Shruti, and today I have another MEESHO haul for you guys. A ton of you guys messaged and said that you guys want a ethnic sort of a MEESHO haul, and MEESHO definitely has way more options when it comes to like ethnic Indian kind of wear. Reselling on MEESHO is pretty simple. All you have to do is log into the app, browse through the thousands of product categories that they have, select something that you think will really resonate with your friends and family, and send over the details of that product to them. And the great part is that you get to set your profit margin, and any profit that is collected via COD or anything of that sort will be placed into your bank account within 10 days of the delivery of the item. And the best part, check out the description down below because you are getting 20% off or ₹100 off your first order. So shop now. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I absolutely love wearing like sarees. I just feel like if I wear a saree, I just feel like Sushmita said, like coming out of Main Hoon Na, and I just want somebody to go, मैंने जो देखा तो न जाने क्या हो गया. So well, at least a girl can dream. So I got myself a couple of sarees and just kind of ethnic wear from MEESHO, and I'm very excited to go through all of them. So let's go. First up is this gorgeous saree that I got from MEESHO. It is this beautiful red and black sequined saree with an attached blouse which kind of goes in this crisscross manner. When I saw this, it gave me like complete Deepika Padukone from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani vibes. Like I just felt like I am ready to break out into Badtameez Dil, Badtameez Dil, Badtameez Dil. I am just waiting to attend like some shadi, even if it is a Zoom wedding, for me to be able to wear this. I did post a reel also on Instagram wearing the saree because it is just beautiful. This saree is so beautiful, like, and I love the fact that it comes with a stitched blouse. Honestly, for me, the biggest win in this is the fact that it came along with the blouse, and the crisscross pattern on the blouse is so super unique. I have not seen anything like this in any of the saree patterns that I've seen out there, and it definitely adds that, you know, unique sense of style to you know, just a normal saree. And yeah, I feel like I'm totally ready to party when I wear this saree. So this is a definite yay from me. Next up is this gorgeous blue printed saree. Oh my god, this gives me the Yash Chopra heroine vibe. Like if I wear this, I just feel like I need to go to Switzerland right now and lehrao my aanchal in the Swiss Alps and take some videos. So yeah, I love the blue color. Actually, this kind of blue, which is like this sea blue, is one of my favorite colors to wear. I feel again it looks great on Indian, you know, tan skin tones. And I have paired this with a yellow blouse. This blouse actually, fun fact, I got a long time back from Sarojini Nagar. So the print on these kind of really matched, and I felt like they look beautiful together. So that's why I kind of paired this together, even though this comes, the blouse doesn't come along with it. And I feel like it's a very light saree also, so you can actually dress it up and dress it down as per your convenience. And I actually like sarees like this because then it is so much more versatile and it also drapes really well on your body. So yeah, I love this color. Along with this outfit, I'm also wearing this beautiful choker set that I also got from MEESHO. I love these kind of choker necklaces. They are so elegant. That is why I like wearing chokers which are kind of like that. Even if you're wearing something very simple, it takes your outfit to the next level. So next time they're casting for a Yash Raj film, I am just going to be sitting like this, ready to be cast. Next up is this beautiful easy breezy yellow kurti set, and honestly yellow in the summer is my favorite color to wear. If you guys have seen me in and around, you will know that I love wearing yellow. Again, I feel like yellow, bright, like these kind of colors really pop on Indian tan skin tones, and it looks great. And the set that I'm wearing with this, the silver set, is also gorgeousness. Can we take a moment to appreciate this? Jewelry set that I'm wearing with this is what kind of elevated this look onto a whole nother level. And again, I feel like when I want to be like the good girl for my mom and dad, that is the time that I would wear something like this. And like this is definitely something that my dad would pick for me. Like कितनी अच्छी लग रही है मेरी बेटी ऐसे सादे कपड़ों में. The yellow color, like I said, is my favorite to wear, and the fact that it is the kurta is very versatile. Like when I'm at home, I won't even wear leggings or something, and I'll just wear this like a dress, and it works well. This kurti set is absolutely easy, breezy, and beautiful. Next up is this gorgeous black and gold sari. It's actually like kind of you know, brownish black and copper gold, if I'm putting it right. I don't know how much of the intricacies of the color the camera is able to pick up. Again, this gives such a royal feel to whoever is wearing it. I just feel like Maharani Sahiba padhar rahi hai. The blouse that I'm wearing with this obviously does not come along with this. I just felt that this, you know, kind of looks really nice this way when it's styled together, and it gave me like really royal vibes. The print of this is very subtle, which is what I like. I don't tend to go for things which have like very loud prints on it, just on an everyday basis also. Like you would rarely see me with like loud prints on me. I'm just someone who likes, you know, basic, simple, I like basic block colors, and my prints also I like them to be pretty like simple. Because I like adding my extra pizzazz with like jewelry and stuff like that. That is why also the jewelry that I'm wearing with this is so simple yet so stunning. This set is from MEESHO, and as you know, I love chokers. I feel like it looks really, you know, elegant on you. Just the whole look put together, it looks and feels like an absolute royalty has arrived, which is, I mean, I'm living for that. So yeah, definitely check this out if you want something simple yet very elegant. The next up is this beautiful gold sari. I love the fact that it is so simple, because that is why you can play up with so many other elements in your outfit. I was not able to get the blouse piece that came along with this stitched because lockdown happened, but definitely once things get a little better, I want to go to the tailor and get this blouse piece stitched for myself, because it is such a beautiful piece of it's such a beautiful color of red, and I feel like this, if you have a plain sari like this, there's just so much that you can do with it, because ultimately it's just a plain piece of cloth, but you can really amp it up with accessories. I feel like when I wear this, it makes me feel like a very good South Indian girl. Like, अभी तो मम्मी ऐसे मेरे को देख के बोलेगी, हाय तू ऐसे रोज क्यों नहीं लग सकती? If my mom sees me in this, she'll be like, why can't you wear clothes like this every day? Why do you want to roam around in the bikini and all on the beach? Like this nice South Indian girl, why you can't look on an everyday basis? So I feel like I will wear this outfit every time I want to get something like, Mama, I'm your good girl now. Can you do this for me? Like when I want to put mascara on my mom now, I'll wear this outfit and I'll go to her. So yes, I guess that is it for today. I know I didn't get a lot of things, but this time I wanted to be a little more picky and get the things that I absolutely love from MEESHO. Both the times now that I've ordered from MEESHO, I have absolutely enjoyed everything that I've got. I don't think there is even one thing that I don't like, which is great. And this time actually, surprisingly, all the products came much quicker than they did even the last time, and I definitely feel like they have a much better variety of like saris and ethnic wear on there. And I particularly loved all the jewelry pieces that I got from MEESHO, and I feel like they have some amazing jewelry pieces, and they're at a very good price point even compared to a couple of other e-commerce websites. I feel like MEESHO is very competitive when it comes to pricing. So that is why I feel like now what I do is, whenever I see something that I like on any other site, like I go on to MEESHO and I check how much it is on there and then kind of end up buying, because yeah, I mean, they are literally wholesale rates and you can't get better than that. So yeah, I guess that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.